Hello viewers, this is Prithvini from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. This video is to explain you about my main project entitled Image Comparison and Retrieval Tool. I along with my team members Indraja, Nirosha and Kalyani under the esteemed guidance of Dr. T.V. Rajnikant sir developed this project. Coming to the abstract of our project, image retrieval is a process of browsing, searching and retrieving images from a database of digital images. Retrieving images from large collections is a challenging problem. Our project is mainly concerned about retrieving the image based on the content. Content based means that the search will analyze the actual contents of the image rather than the metadata such as keywords, tags or descriptions associated with the image. The term content in this context might refer to colors, shapes, textures or any other information that can be derived from the image itself. Image comparison and retrieval tool allows to automatically extract target images according to the objective visual contents of the image itself. Coming to the existing system, in many situations the traditional method is incomplete because whenever we store an image along with the data of an image and there are many images in the database, then the image in the database becomes huge and retrieval becomes a tedious task. So researchers turn their attention towards content based image retrieval methods. The proposed system consists of a tool which is used for retrieving semantically relevant images from an image database based on the application of various mathematical formulae on pixel values of an image. The unique aspect of our system is the utilization of cosine metric, standard deviation and mean of ratios of frequencies techniques for finding the similarity between the images. Our project consists of the following methods like RGB comparison, grayscale comparison, cosine metric comparison, mean of ratios of frequencies comparison, etc. And this is the interface of our tool. Whenever I click on the load the project button, an interface will be opened and this is the ICRT interface. Whenever I click on the file option, there will be an option called load and in the load there will be an option called image1. Whenever I click on the image1 option, then open file dialog will be opened and I am selecting the first image. Now in the similar way I have to select the second image for comparison. Now the two images are compared by using RGB comparison. Here in this message box we can see that the difference between the two images in terms of R, G and B values. Here we can see that the different R values are 97,986 and different G values are 98,068 and B values are 98,062. Now we are comparing the two images by using the grayscale comparison option. Here we can see that the images are not same and 98,051 wrong pixels are found. Now when we compare these two images by using the cosine metric method, we can see that the images are 56% similar. Now whenever we want to compare images by using input image with image in a database, we have to load the comparison tool interface through which we can select an input image by clicking on the browse button. Whenever we click on the browse button, an open file dialog will be opened and we have to select the input or query image and the image will be loaded into this picture box and we have to enter the threshold value like 98 or 99 and so on, so that this will be taken as a threshold value and the image whose similarity is equal to or greater than 98 will be retrieved. Whenever I click on the retrieve similar image using cosine metric button, the images will be retrieved and the similar images will be retrieved and stored in the output folder in D drive. Here by using the cosine metric we got 5 images that are similar to the input image. Here the images are retrieved based on the cosine metric technique. Whenever we click on the retrieve similar image using the ratio button, the image will be compared and retrieved based on the similar image based on the ratio mean of ratios of frequencies between the two images. Whenever the comparison is completed, a message box will be displayed showing that the files are stored in the output folder. Now whenever we click on the retrieve similar image using ratio button, the input image will be compared with the image in the database and the results will be stored in the output to folder. Here we can see that these are the output image, these are the similar images that are similar to the query image based on the mean of ratios of frequencies method. and this is the way in which we compare our images and retrieve images. This can be this tool can be used as a in the pre-processing stage of retrieving the image, because the accuracy is not up to the not 100%, and further techniques have to be applied on the image so that more 100% accurate images can be retrieved from the database. Thank you.